Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber or someone who's been here before, welcome back. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing another advent calendar, and today we have the Ulta 12 Days of Bath advent calendar. I saw this on their site, so I just decided to go ahead and pick it up. This calendar does retail for $20. So let's just go ahead, get right into it, and see what's inside. This is what it looks like. So it's actually quite pretty, but nothing really overly fancy. So let's go ahead and dive in, starting with day one. God, my poor fingernails on these. So there's day one. What are we pulling out of here? Ah, all right. Day one is a little bath sponge. This is perfect size for travel size. These are actually the sizes that I buy from like Dollar Tree when I'm going on vacation, because what I do is before I return, I just toss them. So these work out great. Ooh. All right, door number two. We have Winter Vanilla Hand Cream. All right, and this is 0.5 fluid ounces. And this is the perfect size to slap into your handbag, especially with these fall and winter months. Oh, it smells really nice. Let's see. Just pop some on my hand real quick. Has a nice consistency. All right. And it smells really nice. Really nice. Okay. All right. Let's move on to door number three. All right. So now we have Spice Cookie Foot Cream. Okay. It says, apply cream to clean dry feet. Apply before bedtime to help soften your feet overnight. All right. I can definitely use that during these months. See what it smells like. Oh, all right. It definitely does smell. It smells like cinnamon. It smells like cinnamon. All right. Nice. All right, let's move on to door number four. I tell you, they definitely didn't make it easy to get into these, into the doors on this calendar. Jeez. All right. We have lavender bath salts. These are great to throw in the bathtub when you're taking a nice hot bath. All right, it's a decent amount. Enough for one use. Okay, I'm not mad at that at all. All right, we're on to door, what number was that? We're on to door number 5. 5 is over here in the corner. That one pushed in pretty easy, all right. Behind door number 5, we have Frosted Berry Body Lotion. And this too is a nice amount in the bottle. I know they're not full size, but it's a good amount. Let's see what that smells like. Oh, that smells really nice. It has a really nice berry scent to it. I like that a lot. Okay, great. Now we're on to door number 6. I'm not going to even pick this calendar up anymore because I have to keep them down here to even get them open. So, all right. Door number 6, we had Frosted Berry Body Wash. Okay, so they gave us the lotion and the body wash. Okay, perfect, perfect. These are great for travel size. I'll throw these in my suitcase next time we're going away. All right. Door number 7. I seriously tore some of the paper trying to get that out. It was in there so tightly. Okay, it smells good though. So that's a bath bomb. Great to throw in the bathtub when you're taking a bath. All right, I don't even know what number I was on. I'm assuming that was 7. All right, door number 8. Okay, behind door number 8, we have Winter Vanilla Lip Balm. And this is a really good size. All right, let's see what it smells like. Ouch. I have chipped some of the fingernail polish off of my thumb trying to open these boxes. Ugh. Oh, that smells really good. This lip balm smells amazing. All right, great. That's a nice to have. I love having a lip balm or something in my purse. And with lip balms and like chapsticks and things like that, I'll put a little bit underneath my matte lipsticks to make them not so dry. So this is great to have. All right, number 9. This is actually kind of cute if I can get it out. It's Frosted Berry Bath Confetti. Little confetti to throw in a bath. That would be nice for, you know, light some candles, have a glass of wine, throw a little confetti in the bath, maybe invite someone else in. Who knows? For a nice romantic night. Very nice. And they smell good too. I can smell it through the packaging. It smells really good. I'm actually excited about that. All right, number 10. 2 more to go, guys. All right, nice. Number 10 is actually a candle. So they've given us, I'm seeing a little theme here. Spice cookie. It smells a little cinnamony to me. I'm seeing a little theme. We got the body wash, we got the body lotion, we got the bath bomb, and then we got the frosted confetti, and now we're getting a candle. So this is nice, very nice. For a nice, like I said, a nice quiet night in the bath. Maybe put on the music, you know, who knows, whatever you like. Door number 11, I just tore the whole box. Door number 11. Oh gosh, the struggle is so real here. Oh, door number 11 is bubble bath. Yes, and it's in that same frosted berry scent. Very nice. All right, and last but not least, guys, door number 12. Let's get to it. And how funny that door number 12 was the easiest one to open. Oh, look at that. It's a little hair wrap. You can use this, like, for me, I use it when, like, you're doing your makeup or something, and to pull your hair back. Very nice. And it's a terry cloth material. I don't actually have one like this. I have the full terry head wraps. So this is a nice to have. Okay, not bad. All right, guys, I'm going to show you what this box looks like and all these little pieces I have flying around. This thing was something serious to get into and get these products out of. Look at that. Looks nothing like it did when I started, right? Here's the other pieces of boxes I had to tear and everything else. Those things were packaged in there really, really, really tightly. But anyway, guys, what did you guys think of this Ulta 12 Days of Bath Advent Calendar? Do you think it was worth the 20 bucks? Did you like the items that came inside? Would it be something that you would purchase for yourself? Let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, guys, that's all that I have for today. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.